Alright you guys, we are back with another drag racing video, and in this one we are at a huge event here in Chandler, Arizona. We are at the Street Car Takeover that is being hosted here, and there are a lot of cars here. There are a lot of fast cars here. I'm actually a little intimidated and a little nervous, just hearing the cars rumble and growl and make a bunch of noise and kick out all their smelly methane. And so I am all checked in. We've been teched. We've got a round of racing to do tonight, which is daily driver. And I'm pretty sure there are some cars here faster than me, but the advantage for me, it is a little bit cooler out. It's about 50 degrees, and the advantage for me is gonna be the all-wheel drive and the gas cars, especially the ones that are rear-wheel drive. You know, they might have a little trouble hooking at the launch. It is a no prep surface. And so it'll be very interesting to see how the races go tonight. I really don't know what to expect. This is a little bit different than the Friday night test and tunes that I do in my local area. There's usually not a lot of big stakes and big money involved with those events that I do locally. But this one is pretty huge. There's money involved. And at the very least, we're here to have a good time, to check out some of the cars. There's a lot of crazy tuned BMWs, all of the traditional cars, Mustangs, Challengers, Camaros, you name it, it's here, GTRs. And so, yeah, we're about to have a driver's meeting, and then racing's gonna kick off pretty soon. We have a fresh set of tires also, Michelin Pilot Sport 4S's, 10% degradation. And we showed up to the track with about 97% state of charge. And also on top of that, with the cooler weather, by the time the car gets preconditioned and the battery is ready to go, I'll probably lose a few more percent just for the car preconditioning the battery, right? So I'll do my best. I'm not very good at mentioning the state of charge on my runs. I'm gonna work on that a little bit tonight. And yeah, we'll see you out in the lanes. We'll also be sure to get some B-roll of some of the cars that are out here. Peace. Let's have some fun. All right, you guys, we're in staging, and there are a lot of cars in this class. There's about 20 cars, and there are some really fast cars. As you can see right here in front of me, this is a GTR, and it's got a chute on it, so it's got to be fast, right? So I'm really excited. I'm nervous, but let's go have some fun. All right, you guys, it's go time. Let's get lined up. All right, the Mustang made his heat. There's a lot of people on the track, so I'm really worried about he's lining me up on the line here. All right. We're going to give it a second here. All right, let's get ready. Let's get into cheetah stance. And let's go. Oh, we got it. We got it. All right. Whoa. Whoa. End of the runway comes quickly. Shit. Woo. Yeah, there was a lot of hesitation. I just think it was because it's cold. But once the car got going, it felt pretty good. So that puts us into the second round. We'll see you guys there.
Anthony's in there. Who's a funk? For a simple-minded announcer like myself.
All right, you guys. We're going to be racing this F-150 right here.
That's Nick over there on the right side in the Corvette.
Yep. And It's pretty fast, but it is super cold out here, you guys. It's like 45
It
degrees.
should be coming up. Yeah. Oh, my wagon. Got the healthy little Corvette taking on the wagon. Got the blower, the nitrous, full power out of her car.
The battery's all preconditioned. You guys can hear the announcer for the cars in front of us.
Spicy. And that would seem to be more daily driver in my opinion, but they leave together, but that's about it. Yeah, you might want to go ahead and write the check right now. I don't know. You got that versus a Tesla in the final. Well, brother, I hate to sound like a electric car aficionado or anything, but any surface, yeah, that's what I was telling the folks. Are we changing lanes here? Did we call an audible?
I was right lane, but I was avoiding the water.
Okay, so you're in this lane?
Yes, yes.
Okay, yeah, that's fine. You're second, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, we swapped lanes. Anybody riding with the electric car, the Silent Slayer? I mean, there's got to be a few of you. Yeah, I see you, brother. I mean, I hate to call it like that. They do what they do. Yes, and it's ignorant. It's stupid. And it's like what, $86,000? They're cheap.
You hear that announcer talking smack about my car?
But then you have this Darth Vader looking mofo. I mean, he's known as sport. It's right there on the bedside. What's up, champ? My guy.
All right, he's lining them up. So I'm getting into Cheetah.
My man back here said he better win tonight. He lost his money last night. Here we go.
Ooh, he's fast, he's fast, he's fast. Well done, well done.
I think that Darth Vader looking dude done. Yeah, there you go.
Well done. You got me.
I mean, sometimes it happens like that. I mean,
Very nice. That truck is fast. Holy smokes.
I'll almost ride with a Tesla every time.
All right, you guys. So we got put out by the F-150. The truck was super fast. I think it was all-wheel drive too. But the guy got a great launch. I couldn't make it up. And so we're going to go watch a few of the races that are left. And we'll be back tomorrow for 3 separate racing classes. And it should be a good time. So we'll see you in the next cut.